Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Luna Classic update today. And Luna Classic is just not taking a breather here. And yes, you've taken out the wick, and yes, wicks do taken out as well. So one thing I'm going to show you quickly is the 1 hour time frame. It does look like we're not quite done just yet. So look at this, you ran all the way to the downside, you made a flag here, and I think that bear flag is taking Luna Classic all the way down to, you're looking for 8,384. So you can actually expect a further move down, which is 7.5%. Now thing is that you've already moved quite down for Luna Classic. Honestly, it's quite down, really down, right? And the irony is that on the monthly, it doesn't look like that's the end of it on the monthly time frame. The monthly suggests that we're about to get February to be blood as well. Okay, and yeah, that's a little bit scary. So I think crypto is pointing maybe towards a very quick crash, in my opinion. Like go down very quickly, give the discounts to anyone who wants to enter. This is not a financial advice, but I've been here for 6 years, and I want to tell you that if you see those flash crashes, because rug pull already happened, right? You have Luna that started the rug pull, and it went from $100, and then you have Luna Classic, which is now at 0 point something 9, and that rug pull is a different story. Thing is, if Luna Classic is any good, it doesn't do any rug pull, and you know, it's a good coin for maybe moving up. And I'm going to honestly rate Luna Classic out of 10. I think it's a solid 5, like very solid 5, because it's something that is quite risky, right? Luna Classic is in that one of those coins that you can say that it's amazing and you should throw way too much money. So let me just say, if I had $1,000, I would actually get $50 or $100 is just enough for trying the coin out. 5% of my money, that's all. I'm not going to say that it's a very amazing coin, throw up $1,000 even if I'm a fan or something like that. No, not like that, because I don't really think it's that much of a very good coin. But the thing is that we're just hoping that it's a shit coin and it may move crazy high, right? That's the whole point, to be honest. And then this numbers here, the number that you see on the right side of the screen, which are the zeros right there, okay? These are the thing that is attractive at the moment, because you may actually think it's really easy to burn maybe 3 zeros, maybe 2 zeros, and do 100x and 1000x. That's the main attraction. That's where the attraction really comes from this coin. And that's all for the video. I think we may be just looking for that B correction down to 6,600, and then eventually from there have oversold levels. You're looking at the RSI coming completely down. So you're looking at this historical best place to buy, and that's going to be a little bit down here. Do you see that? So we're very close to the bottom, and that's a good thing. So I think you know, maybe shopping time, maybe time to be ready for the shopping, and you're looking for that target down there. Okay, you have a little bit of that RSI coming down, and you have a little bit of more space to actually come down and move all the way down. Boom, touch it, and that's all. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.